I have to like what to talk about. So I got a text from my father today, and he said that Ray Hadley gave me a shout out and he played my song Aussie As today, so I was really happy with that. He's a champion of a bloke and I really appreciate him doing that. And yeah, I'm going to play it for you now. It's called Aussie As. Aussie as a lazy Sunday arvy, stubby in your hand, snag on the barbie. Aussie as nippers on the beach and kids on the veranda feeding lorikeets. It's a blue tongue in the garden, it's a footy on the roof, it's a cheeky kookaburra laughing at you. It's 100 different cultures all rolled into one. Let's call them Barry Baz and Sharon Shaz. It's Aussie As. Aussie as a raffle in a pub and chicken chow mein in a bowling club. Aussie as a flutter on the cup and $5 in the tin when the salvos show up. It's a bugle call at sunrise, it's a pinned on rosemary sprig, it's a rum and milk, 10 on tails, every April 25th. It's 100 different cultures, all rolled into one. Let's call them Barry Baz and Sharon Shaz. It's Aussie As. 05 at Bathurst, box of redheads matches, kids swinging on a Hills hoist and bindies in the grass. A cyclone called Tracy, a ginger boy named Blue, and Jack and Jillaroo. Now that's Aussie As. The yacht's on Boxing Day, and that big smile on Luna Park's face. It's a simple word like sorry, it's a flag to call your own. It's red, white and blue, and it's red, black and yellow. It's 100 different cultures, all rolled into one. Let's call them Barry Baz and Sharon Shaz. It's Aussie As. Pair of tracky dacks. Aussie As.